As you noticed in our previous exercise, we did not put any filters. In fact, we asked Elasticsearch to give us all the documents stored in our type called course. Okay, so that was not actually a query string because we didn't provide the query filter. In this exercise, we will put a query string. Okay, our goal here is to find all the courses which a person having a skill of Java can take. Okay, and if you remember, while we created this data set, we had a field called skills, and within that field we had various values in it like Java, Linux, Hadoop, big data, and all those kind of different values. But in this search we only want to retrieve the documents which has skills as Java. Okay, so let's bring the terminal. All right, so let's run the get command. Our index type, we are doing a search. It's a query string and we want query on field called skills, and the value should be Java. Okay, let's see what happens. So as you can see, we didn't get all the records, we only got few of the records. Okay, and that's because we specified in our query that we are interested only records having a skill as Java. Okay, so here again you can see it has all the parameters as was in the previous exercise. The time has increased because now we are searching within those documents. Instead of 3 milliseconds, it's now 98 milliseconds, and there was no timeout, and it had 5 shards, all 5 were successful, and it got 4 documents instead of 11 documents. Okay, and the maximum score is 0.878. Next it is printing all the 4 documents. Okay, here you can see the first document score is 0.878, which is the highest score, and it has a skill called Java. Okay, let's see the second record. Yeah, a record with ID 1005. It also has a skill called Java, basics of Java. Okay, its score was 0.5, so it is having a score lesser than the first record. You see here, the first record has a score of 0.878. It is higher than the second record, 0.5. So records are given in the order of descending score. Okay, you try it out with different values. As an exercise, I also want you to try something with a different case. Okay, like in lowercase Java, put some space and see what happens. All right, I'll see you in the next class.